Hi, boys and girls. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a stand for your anvil. Some people say anvil. I say anvil. Anvil. Let's do it. Pop that loose right there. Just like that. Without breaking it. I mean, I got a bad habit of breaking stuff because I don't know how hard to push it. There we go. Look at that. That piece is no longer of use to me. This is a safety instruction right here. If you've got these on your hoodie, I'll bet no one has ever tightened them. So if you're making knives, I'm going to show you what you do. When you get a new hoodie, first thing you do is you cut that side off. And you don't do it with your knife. Pull that out. You don't need that. Just pull it out. Just pull it out. Just pull it out. See? Just pull it. Shut up. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. All right, well, if you can't do that, then you just cut both ends off and then snuggle it up like this. And then bam, no more ends sticking out to hang up in the grinder, because, you know, if you're grinding and you get that in there, that sucks. That's a bad day. So make sure you cut those off. You don't need those. Those are stupid. Okay, back to this. This is more important. It's a nice sound. Ooh, I want to do that again. I like that sound. That's a nice sound. Hope we caught that. Definitely got my fingerprints all over it. Now we're going to put it back into this. It's pretty clear. Okay, now, oh boy, I'm afraid of touching that part. That's the nice part. All right, now, this goes back just like that. Click, click. Wonderful, I've got all of the fingerprints, all just inside of the glass. So what we got is some angle iron. Angle iron. Angle looks like this. And I don't know, it's 1/4 inch thick, so I'm gonna make the top part the shape of the bottom of the anvil, like this. So it'll be 4 pieces. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. And they have a little shelf in here. I'll cut them on angles, and I don't know why I'll cut them like that, but I probably will. And I might change my mind. I might just, and then the anvil will sit in there. And then we're going to make the anvil legs. They're square tubing, very thick walled square tubing. And they're going to be on 23.5 degree angle. And that little piece is going to go right on top of here. Boop, 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 boop. And then we'll run another couple of pieces across on 3 legs. A 1, a 2, a 3. Triangle like that. Okay, this is piece, piece, piece. It all comes together. Dun, 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 dun. And I'm going to have to decide how tall these legs are based on how tall my anvil is. Now, let's do that. Let's see what we need. How high is this one? "32 inches. So, all right, a little calculating here. So I'm just going to chop this into 45 degree angles, and we will proceed to weld them together, and I hope that it works. Clean that out like that. Take this like this, put that in there like that, put this back on here like this. Wear your safety glasses on your head where they're supposed to be, not on your face, remember. These things aren't super accurate, so I'm sure I'm gonna cut it oversize and then grind it like I normally do. I made a couple of these before, but not exactly this way. So my outside cut is a little over 9 inches. I made it a little bit bigger, so it's 9 1/4. Where they're gonna meet, because I got a 1/4 inch and a 1/4 inch, is 8 and 3/4. So for 8 3/4, and that's because I got a 1/4 inch and a 1/4 inch, so that makes a 1/2 inch. Just trying to figure it out. I do have this cool thing here. Whenever I'm making stuff, I'm not much into measuring. I want to cut it and fit it and make it work. And that's all I'm trying to do. And that's all I'm suggesting anyone else do. And don't make too many rules about it. Just get at it and do it. This is not a helicopter, so it does not have to, it doesn't have to be perfect. Could be a little off and you're still going to be fine. Dun, dun, dun. Pretty close. I'm going to tune them up a little bit on the grinder. So, chop saw is not a precision instrument. I'm just going to clean these up just a little bit. I'm going to just try to cut a little bit more off. I'm going to chop that off first and then I'll cut the angle on it. Seems a lot easier. This time I thought I'd be clever and make a frame which has 45-degree angles, which is really tricky to cut accurately on this saw. So I'm going to do it a little different. I'm going to finish this job on the with some grinding and some chop saw techniques, which I think will work. Not chop saw, but bandsaw and grinding. I think that's going to be a little easier. That fits. Fits. Okay, so this is a way to do it. And the biggest thing you want to remember is 23.5, 24 degrees on these angles, and there's 3 of them. So let's pick this up and stick it on here and see how it works. The whole purpose of having a 3-legged metal stand is that it connects to the ground, the dirt, the rocks, whatever, and it makes your anvil more solid. So we're going to lift the anvil up, set it in here. I'm going to silicone the base and silicone the anvil to the base. All right, let's stick that in there. Ah, nice. So, this is our anvil stand. Plenty bouncy. Nice height, working height right here for me or anybody. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and be a maker.